Good morning children, welcome to the social class. Today we will learn chapter number 6 of our social studies, India, the coastal plains. Children, in previous class we have learned about the coastal plain of India. Let's take a quick recap. This is the map of India. I have just drawn the lower part, the triangular part. India is fortunate enough to have a long coastline. It starts from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, and from here it moves towards the Kanyakumari, and from Kanyakumari it moves upward towards the north up to West Bengal. Let's talk about the Western Coastal Plain. The Western Coastal Plain, as we have discussed earlier, it lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, the flat land, it is known as the Western Coastal Plain. It starts from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and moves towards the southern tip, that is Kanyakumari. It is divided into three parts: the Kathiawar coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. The Kathiawar coast, it is the Gujarat region. The Konkan coast, it is very narrow. It is the narrowest coastal plain, but it is very rich in petroleum deposit. Now let's discuss about the Eastern Coastal Plain. Between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal lies the Eastern Coastal Plain. It starts from West Bengal and it stretches towards the Kanyakumari. So the Eastern Coastal Plain is divided into two parts. The first part we call them Northern Sircars and the other part is Coromandel Coast. Now the Northern Sircars, it covers the area of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and the Coromandel Coast, it covers the area of Tamil Nadu. Let's take a quick recap. India is fortunate enough to have a long coastline. The black portion in this map is showing you the coastal plains of India. It starts from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and moves down towards the south. The southernmost tip of India is known as Kanyakumari. From Kanyakumari, it moves upward to the West Bengal. The coastline which is on the east of India, it is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain, and the coastline which is on the west side of India is known as Western Coastal Plain. Let's discuss about the Eastern Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain starts from West Bengal and it moves towards the Tamil Nadu. It covers the areas of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And the Western Coastal Plain, it starts from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and covers the areas of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The Eastern Coastal Plain is divided into two parts. The first part is known as Northern Sircars and the other part is known as Coromandel Coast. The Northern Sircars cover the areas of West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, whereas Coromandel Coast, it covers the area of Tamil Nadu. Similarly, the Western Coastal Plain is divided into three parts. The first part is Kathiawar Coast, it covers the Gujarat region. The second part is Konkan Coast, it covers the areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa. The third one is Malabar Coast. It covers the area of Kerala. So, I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Have a nice day.